Hi, I'm Libby Munford, editor at Packaging Europe, and I'd like to welcome you to the latest video in our Sustainability Perspective series, where I'm pleased to be chatting with Maria Wahlgren, Senior Vice President of Commercial and Innovation for Fibre Foodservice at Huhtamaki. Today, she will be sharing her in-depth knowledge of the fibre packaging market and how it can contribute to our sustainable future. So thanks for joining us today, Maria.
Thank you, Libby. Great to be here.
Yeah, thank you. Could you firstly describe your role at Huhtamaki to me so I can understand it a bit more?
For sure, no problem. So as you mentioned, I'm Senior Vice President for the Commercial and Innovation, which means that I'm leading the overall commercial activities we have globally, especially when there needs global coordination. And I'm also overall responsible for the innovation and new product development that we do for the segment.
Lovely. And in your experience, what are the current key market drivers for creating sustainable fibre packaging?
I mean, overall, there is, a clearly drive towards more sustainable solutions and circularity. That is an overarching trend for packaging and for most things that are appearing in the industrial world today. So, I mean, the drive towards circularity, to drive towards renewability of materials and so forth is clear. And there is both a consumer pressure in terms of making preferences to more sustainable solutions in the market, but there is also, of course, also a more hard part, meaning that governments do put legal pressure on packaging and other products for circularity and renewability reasons. So I would say that is the overarching trend, where obviously the fiber packaging is meeting a lot of these requirements.
Mm. And how can fibre help solve the sustainability challenges that the packaging industry is currently facing?
I mean, first of all, fiber is a truly renewable source. We use, when we do smooth molded fiber, virgin fiber that can be that is certified FSC or PEFC, or where we can also use recycled fiber actually when we do the rough molded fiber for egg cartons and cup carriers and so forth. So it's truly renewable materials that can be put into the circular system. And it's also a fantastic material, of course, from a flexibility and a design possibility. You almost have unlimited possibilities to shape and design your packaging as you wish, with help from the molded fiber, as we call it. Mm. And with the right processes in place, from our side, I mean, we can also bring the durability and the barrier requirements that is required for different food aspects. So using the right materials based on the right functionality, fiber in combination with these can really create numerous applications across most of the food applications.
Mm. And in the context of these challenges and trends, how does Huhtamaki bring added value to its customers?
So first of all, I mean, we are a global leader in sustainability packaging solutions. We have a Nordic heritage very close to the Nordic forests there. We want to protect food, people, and the planet, and we do embed sustainability in everything we do, you can say. So designing for circularity is very, very natural for us. And we have an ambitious target for the 2030 in terms of our own operations, as well as what we do externally, of course. So we have a long history and clear expertise, both in rough molded fiber and smooth molded fiber. We can combine this with our also old experience from what the food service and the FMCG markets and applications require in terms of barriers, durability to reach the right shelf life or the right functionality for the packaging. Mm. We have a large scale industrialization experience. So, I mean, we are used to scale up and industrialize large scale. And of course, our global footprint as well means that we can actually adopt to any requirements from a geographical presence across the globe. And we want to partner with our customers. We work very much with joint efforts to find the optimal solutions. And that's how we bring value to our customers.
So how does Huhtamaki work towards our shared sustainable future with fibre packaging?
Yes, so of course, I mean, we embed sustainability in everything that we do, and we aim to minimize the negative impacts, of course, of our operations and of the products that we place in the market, while maximizing the positive impacts for our stakeholders, consumers, and the society as such. So we are addressing the climate change, and we have instances where we commit to science-based emission reduction targets, of course, which we did validate now in 2021 through the Science Based Targets initiative. So we continue to focus on innovation, designing all our products to be recyclable and compostable by 2030. And we mainly use traceable virgin wood fibers from sustainably managed forests, obviously, with the certification systems like FSC and PEFC. And we also use, obviously, recycled paper fiber. And we actually see waste as a very valuable secondary material stream. And we believe that that is a way to enable something that is becoming even more sustainable. And we use recycled paper waste for products today, our egg cartons, as an example, and the drinking cup carriers that we place into the food service market.
Lovely. Well, thank you very much for sharing your insights with us today, Maria. Really happy to have you on board our Sustainability Perspective series. And thank you as well to our audience for watching at home. Please keep an eye out for more videos in this series, which is in conjunction with the Sustainability Awards and the Sustainable Packaging Summits. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Libby.